The world is changing. Artificial intelligence is here. It's creating incredible opportunities. One of these opportunities? Making money. AI tools like ChatGPT can be your ticket to financial freedom. They can help you earn more, work less, and achieve your dreams. This isn't science fiction. This is happening now. People from all walks of life are using AI to boost their income. Are you ready to join them? This guide will show you how. In the following sections, we'll explore the exciting world of ChatGPT and its money-making potential. We'll break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand steps. You'll learn practical strategies and real-world examples. Let's get started. Freelancing is booming. More people are choosing flexible work. ChatGPT can be your secret weapon in the freelance world. Imagine this. You need to write a blog post, but you don't have the time or the energy. ChatGPT can help. It can generate high-quality content in minutes. This includes blog posts, articles, website copy, and more. You can then edit and refine the content. This saves you time and effort. You can take on more clients and increase your income. But writing is just the beginning. ChatGPT can also help you with other freelance tasks. It can translate languages, summarize documents, and even generate creative content ideas. The possibilities are endless. Content is king. Businesses need high-quality content to thrive. This creates a massive demand for skilled content creators. This is where ChatGPT comes in. It can help you create various content formats. This includes blog posts, articles, social media updates, and even video scripts. Let's say you want to start a food blog, but you're not a confident writer. ChatGPT can help you generate engaging and informative content. It can create recipes, write food reviews, and even share interesting food facts. This allows you to focus on other aspects of your blog. You can also use ChatGPT to create content for social media. Share your blog posts with captivating captions. Engage your audience with interactive quizzes and polls. The possibilities are endless. ChatGPT's skills go beyond writing. It can generate different creative text formats. It can write poems, scripts, musical pieces, email, and even code. This opens up even more opportunities for you. Imagine creating a children's book. ChatGPT can help you craft a captivating story. It can develop imaginative characters and exciting plot lines. You can even use ChatGPT to create illustrations. Simply describe your vision and let ChatGPT do the work. ChatGPT can also help you write marketing copy, craft compelling product descriptions and catchy slogans, increase your sales and grow your business. The possibilities are truly limitless. Becoming the AI whisperer, consulting gigs with ChatGPT. Businesses are eager to leverage AI, but many don't know where to start. This is where you come in. You can position yourself as a ChatGPT consultant. Help businesses understand and implement this powerful tool. You can offer various services, train their teams on using ChatGPT effectively, develop custom ChatGPT workflows tailored to their needs, help them automate tasks and improve their efficiency. As an AI consultant, you'll be at the forefront of innovation. You'll be helping businesses thrive in the age of AI. This is a rewarding and lucrative career path. Real-world riches examples of ChatGPT's money-making magic. Let's look at some real-world examples. Meet Sarah, a stay-at-home mom. She used ChatGPT to launch a successful freelance writing career. She now earns a significant income from home. Plus, she has more time to spend with her family. Then there's John, a recent college graduate. He used ChatGPT to build a profitable online business. He creates and sells online courses. He teaches people how to use ChatGPT for various purposes. These stories highlight ChatGPT's potential. It empowers individuals to achieve financial freedom. It provides them with the tools to succeed in the digital age. Unleashing ChatGPT's power tips and tricks for success. Here are some tips for maximizing your success with ChatGPT. Start with clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with ChatGPT. Learn the basics. Familiarize yourself with ChatGPT's interface and capabilities. Experiment with different prompts. Provide clear and specific instructions to ChatGPT. Edit and refine the output. ChatGPT is a tool. You need to review and edit its output. Stay updated. ChatGPT is constantly evolving. Keep learning new techniques. By following these tips, you can leverage ChatGPT's power. You can achieve your financial goals and create the life you desire. Your ChatGPT journey starts now. Take action today. The future is here. The opportunity is yours. Start exploring the world of ChatGPT today. Don't wait for tomorrow. Take action now. Start small. Experiment. Learn. Remember, the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. The only limit is your imagination. So, what are you waiting for? Your ChatGPT journey starts now. Join the AI revolution. Connect, learn, and thrive. Don't go on this journey alone. Connect with other AI enthusiasts. Join online communities. Share your experiences. Learn from others. Leave a comment below. Tell us about your ChatGPT goals. What do you want to achieve? Let's start a conversation and support each other. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights and tips on unlocking your financial potential with AI. Let's revolutionize the future of work together.